welcome back to the live stream of the Blockchaingers Hackathon 2018. I'm joined now by Michiel Sintony and Martijn Holtkamp. You are both track sponsors for the track Energy Transition. Give us a short introduction of yourselves, please.
Yeah, sure. My name is Martijn Holtkamp. I'm a process analyst within Vattenfall and also one of the topic leaders concerning blockchain within Vattenfall.
Okay, thank you.
Michiel Sintony, business development, and also one of the leaders in blockchain initiatives within Vattenfall.
Okay, so you are a track sponsor. Were you track sponsors last year?
Yeah, we were here also last year.
What did you learn from last year's edition?
So last year we saw that the quality that was built in the prototypes was really high. So that was the reason that we say, well, let's join again this year with more people, with better use cases and better use cases for our customers and for the energy transition.
Okay. Can you tell us a bit about your challenges? Why these challenges? What are they? Why did you come up with these?
One of the main changes we have this year is the new data protection law, which is called the GDPR.
Mm-hmm.
So we thought it could be a good opportunity to see in which extent blockchain could support or contribute to make that possible, to deal with the GDPR for our customers and of course our organization. So we have one challenge around GDPR to make customers more in control of their data, blockchain-based solution. And another one is about IoT and energy. So we get more and more IoT devices in our houses. We want to use that data that they generate for to make it possible to use energy more efficient. And another one is the direct payments for energy. So to make it possible to donate money or coins to a house or people who are in need of energy in a donation on blockchain.
So I could help my neighbors if they were short on money or school.
Yeah. So yeah.
That's quite a different challenge than the other first two. Michiel, about the law. I mean, GDPR is a law. Technology usually doesn't mind laws very much. How is this? Are there any other legal challenges for you within the blockchain world right now?
Well, there are a lot of challenges. If you look at the most mentioned use case with blockchain and energy, it's peer-to-peer trading. But we have a Dutch law that forbids directly. So if I have solar panels and you are in need of energy, I cannot deliver directly to you. We always need a party that is balance responsible for the transaction. So at this moment, we need an energy supplier or someone who's in between peers to do the transaction. So those are challenges that we face at this moment.
So we also need to reinvent some laws, maybe.
No, not the law is not the issue. It's the balance responsibility. That's really hard to do, and that's why we have a law about that. Okay. So those are some challenges that we have to solve in the future. We already solved it. So, but
how many teams are there in your track?
So we have 10 teams in the energy track.
And how many people with knowledge from Vattenfall are available for them to get expertise?
So we have a lot of preparation before the challenges. So we talked with a lot of teams, and at this moment we brought some colleagues from Sweden and also from the Netherlands to help. And we have a lot of people that are helping the energy track as well from our co-sponsors GasUnie.
All right. Well, you're on a tight schedule, so as are we all during this Blockchain Hackathon. So I want to thank you for this interview for now.
Thank you.
Good luck and talk to you later.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. We'll be right back after this.